All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff about cryptocurrency. Saturday and Sunday, we watched Tom Brady and FTX and Crypto.com all over the tube. Last night on Sunday, seeing it again. Cryptocurrency is here to stay. Today, we're going to be talking about Fantom cryptocurrency. It seems to be up a tremendous amount in the last 7 days. We're going to go over that. Go to the website, do a little deep dive into price prediction, and then Mike Tyson is getting in a spark debate over his cryptocurrency investments. So what is Mike Tyson sparking his investments about cryptocurrency have to do? So we're going to find that out. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day buy some cryptocurrency and own it. All right, let's head over to Fantom cryptocurrency. So Fantom right here is anointed 26 cryptocurrency and coin market cap. Take a look at this, up 36% in the last 7 days. I mean, this is gigantic. Fantom's up 36%, traded at $3.22 in the last 24 hours. It's up over almost 9%. Clicking it. Again, in the last 24 hours to the right here, up 9%, $3.22. Check out the last 7 days. This coin has been going up, up, up. Exactly what you're looking for. A lot of times we talk about the coins that are down. This coin happens to be up, and it's going up, 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 which is fantastic. Clicking the holders. Clicking 3 months. Let's see how many people held this token 3 months ago. About 42,000. And today, 3 months later, 77. So 42, 35,000 on the 42. That's about an 85% increase. So 80 to 85% more people holding the Fantom cryptocurrency token in the last 90 days. That's fantastic, everybody. Over here at his Twitter account, Fantom is the fast and scalable next generation layer 1 platform. Join us today. Something pretty big here. Just 7 hours ago, we reached over 30 million in TVL on Fantom. Thank you all. Still haven't deposited any funds? Visit the app. So over here, over 30 million people on TVL. Pretty big too. Let's launch Paraswap on Fantom. Discuss right here. So Paraswap, going over to the website. So at the website, what is Fantom?
The problem with previous blockchain platforms is that they are based on older technologies that don't scale. With Bitcoin, you have to wait 30 to 60 minutes at the store for the payment to clear. With Fantom, your payments are received faster than you can swipe your credit card. Fantom is a network of custom blockchains designed for speed, security, and scalability. These features allow users to create applications that can be used in the real world, such as payments, central bank digital currencies, storing sensitive medical data, and much more. How? Fantom fixes the issue at the root with Lachesis, an innovative consensus mechanism and the engine that powers the blockchain. Lachesis is much faster and cheaper than previous technologies, but still extremely secure. The combination of speed, security, and scalability makes Fantom perfect for banks, governments, and other organizations that haven't been convinced by other blockchains. With Lachesis at the core, thousands of networks can be deployed on Fantom with no compromise in speed or security. Each network can be customized to specific needs, forming a fully decentralized ecosystem, all secured by staking FTM. Whether you need a private network for sensitive medical or financial data, or a public network for verifying the results of an election, Fantom makes it a reality. We believe everyone should be part of that reality. Create your future.
So right there on the Fantom's website, pretty good explanation of what it does, how it works, how it's awesome. Checking that out. We got speed, security, and scalability. Performance matters. Fantom is fast, high throughout, open source smart contract platform for digital assets and dApps. All right, so don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. So Fantom, is it on your radar? 35% up in the last 7 days. Have you been buying this coin? Have you been investing in this coin? If not, put it on your radar today. The token happens to be jumping off the charts right now. All right, what's going on over with Mike Tyson and his cryptocurrency investments? So it says, what is wrong with you? Mike Tyson sparks a debate over his crypto investments. Mike Tyson is a prominent name in the crypto world, and he supports different cryptocurrencies. Tyson also dipped his hands in the NFT space and successfully. Iron Mike is very active on Twitter and always keeps his fans up to date on his latest purchases. So right here on his Twitter, he's talking about how he's all in on Solana, just chopped a Catalina whale, pow pow. His last venture was a cryptocurrency, Solana. Tyson tweeted and saying he's going all in on Solana. Following his investments, Tyson's followers asked, how do you think Solana will go? So here he is. He says, how do you think Solana will go? His followers gave him a mixed emotions on the investment. Some claimed it was overpriced, where others said it was a smart investment. The baddest man on the planet. It says, take a look at the Twitter about the baddest man on the planet investing in Solana. Many fans thought Solana would not fulfill the promise of being the Ethereum killer, and Tyson was making a mistake by going all in. Most of the NFT transactions currently takes place on the Ethereum blockchain. However, Solana looks to change that. Many experts also predict Solana will continue eating away at Ethereum's market share. So Mike Tyson has definitely got a little bit of heated stuff on his investments on cryptocurrency. He likes Solana. No, you got something right here. Hey, bro, what's wrong with you? How much money did you put into Solana? And you're trying to pump it so hard in tweets, it will be overpriced as all hell can be. Oh, gosh. So some of his friends weren't too happy about it. However, some of the fans felt Tyson made the right choice. So again, if you're Mike Tyson, if you're in on your cryptocurrency investments, some people think it's a good idea. Some people think it's not a good idea. He's tweeting it. So I don't know. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Were you all over this when Mike Tyson was talking about his investments, or is this the first you're hearing of it? All right, over here, the daily hold. Fantom and one Ethereum competitor are gunning for all-time highs, according to top crypto analysts. So it says, a popular crypto analyst and trader is giving bullish predictions for the native coin and two smart contracts. The crypto that they're talking about is Harmony One and Fantom are aiming to reach new record highs. Again, it says right here, it looks like One and Fantom are both gunning for all-time highs. You know, the popular crypto analyst and trader added that Fantom decentralized finance DeFi ecosystem, the total value locked could be hours away from surpassing the total volume locked on Solana. So Fantom could be passing up Solana. Holy cow, everybody. Fantom total value locked probably only 24 hours away from flipping Solana for total value locked at this point. And according to the smart contract, top crypto assets, Fantom's ecosystem such as Spooky Swap, Boo has corrected and are now sitting in an attractive entry point. So just wanted to throw that in, and Fantom and One or could be having record highs right now. All right, heading back over to CoinMarketCap. So this token's at $3.21. A few months ago it was $3.38, $3.13, $3.16. So since the coin's up right now 30%, it could have already been at the top to where it's being. So we're going to say the coin's going to, be careful when you're looking at this coin. It may go up a little bit, $3.21 to $3.30. But it may have already came up that 30% that we're looking at right now. It is up 8% in the last 24 hours. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Fantom right here at number 26, again, is up 36%. So keep an eye on that. Cosmos is up 22% in the last 7 days. Litecoin has jumped up 15% in the last 7 days. Uniswap is up 13% in the last 7 days. Take a look at Near, up 47%. So a lot of the cryptocurrencies are coming back right now. Polygon is up 15%. All right, so Fantom cryptocurrency up 36% in the last 7 days. Lots going on with it. Give us your thoughts. Do you own some Fantom, or are you looking at it? Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Monday through Friday, we're bringing videos every single day at noon. Bonus videos are usually around 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock. All right, everybody, have a fantastic Monday today.